Hello everyone, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Valeria Messi Anggrini. I call me Messi. I'm from class A5 PBI. So today I want to presentation my material. My material is the study of sentence patterns and the study of meaning. So right now I want to presentation chapter 5, the study of sentence patterns. Okay, before I explain this material, I want to read this paper. Read this paper to help me explain this material. A. Why study syntax? The term syntax was originated from Greek and literally means a putting together or argument. Syntax focus on how words are put together to create phrases and how phrases are put together to build clauses or bigger phrases and how clauses are put together to build sentences. Miller, 2005. Uh, when words are combined, the result will be phrases. Phrases is new to the notes and expression longer than a word. In the traditional grammar, this term refers non-causal express. However, in a more recent syntax concept, a clauses can be part of phrases. For example, I'm stick with dog hit. English traditional would be I'm hit dog with a stick. English translation would be I'm hit the dog with stick. This knowledge will help me us understand structure and ordering uh, of competence within a sentence. Thus, we are studying syntax of language. Next, during during 70 and 80 country syntax conceived as direct reflection of thought and logic. In the reflection on language was proposed by philosophers rather and linguistics, and language was not obsessed in particle news in communication, not empirical uh, description based on actual data, but rather as abstract system that mirror reason. In the 90 countries, the more descriptive and historical grammar have focused on the sound, and in language morphology. So this explains descriptive and historical grammar have focused on sound in language and morphology. Concept of nexus, which become the fundamental of synthetic description in the world of the European structuralists in the early to 20 countries. Next, sentence structure. In morphology, we try to with distinguish in different lexical feature and general category of basic grammar. The focus concern was to study structure and performance process to develop a more meaningful text and more word is not enough. We need to convert word to from phrases. Thus, we begin from phrases into a clause. Clause is defined in the traditional grammar as an expression which contains or at least a subject and predicate um, and which might consist of other types of expression as well. In modern syntax, clauses into revert to sentence which are constituents of reader other sentence or phrases. In the Latin, two word ending inflection show the relationship between the word in the sentence. Even with sequence the word in different order, the meaning is still exactly the same. Thus, Latin is not configural language. There are strong relationship between morphology and syntax, whereas lost discussion in syntax requires explanation from morphology. For example, sentence clause, phrases, and words. And next, clause main dependent. Sentence, sentence, declarative, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. For example, look at the following sentence. Uh, this is, for example, the choose for example, number one, Celine broke the window. Two, the window was broke by Celine. So this is explained about in the traditional grammar. It's called activity sentence. And number one, this is explain active sentence. Uh, number two, focus. Number one, focus what on what the subject teach. And number two is a passive sentence. This is number two. For example, number two, this is explain passive sentence. Focus on the window and what happened to it. The difference between the one sentence only on the super sentence structure, and then constituent analysis. To determine the structure of a sentence, we may use various ways. On the way is by making of each constituent from sentence level to word level. This process is called constituent analysis. The following method is called label prickling. And next, continue chapter 6, the study of meaning. So this is explain about semantic is the study meaning of words. Phrases and sentence is counts for so-called objective and general meaning reader and subjective local meaning is analysis. Sentence phrases and words are equally serve as associately serve knowledge between the speaker and hearer. And then semantic feature. Um, at the beginning, it's central to clear what actually include in semantic feature. The feature will foster different and unique approach in analysis work. Phrases or sentence. Semantic. Semantic feature comprise of written method that can be expressed to express acceptance, accentant, or not accentant or principle. Crucial distinguishing feature by using plus minus signs. This will dictate how a string and the meaning a sentence would be. Next, semantic relation. So this is explain about semantic relation. This is the synonym, antonym, hyponym, prosemy, metonymy, and and mana ya? Okay, this is I right now I want to explain synonym. Synonym is when two or more words with very closest meaning are associatively similar. Antonym is when two or more for the conflicting meaning. For example, antonym drug price or life died. Next, hyponymy. Hyponymy, when the meaning of two relative words is interpreted within the same hierarchical connection. Hierarchical connection. Next, metonymy. Metonymy can be recorded through three connection. The first one is the container content and connections such as in battleware. Water. Thank you for your watching this video, everyone. I hope you understand what I say for you. I explain for you. Thank you very much and see you guys.